Simona.
Simona. Okay, nice to meet you. So it's salty. Hello guys, good morning. Today is another day in Argentina. Welcome to this new vlog. Right now I'm in northern Argentina, border with Bolivia and Chile, and you can see right behind me. It's so white. You see, this is like a salt lake. So I know everybody knows that there is a very famous salt lake in Bolivia that's like one of the most famous in the world, but apparently there are so many of them around Argentina and Chile also that people don't go. So we are here today, and sorry that I'm breathing so loudly because the elevation is so high. We are on a very high altitude and it takes 1 or 2 days to accommodate the body. So for me it's just right now 5 minutes that we reached. So this is around 4,100 meter above sea level, and millions of years before there used to be ocean here, South Pacific Ocean. So this is the salt lake, guys, in Argentina. Look at this. There is a board, Salinas Grandes. So as you see, this direction is Chile and that side is actually Bolivia, and all these mountains are Andes mountain, which is world's longest continental mountain range. So we have made it to Andes area, and actually the native people here, they look so similar to Indians. And in around Buenos Aires, southern Argentina, it's more Europeans and colonizer who came here some 100 years ago. But this area north of Argentina have native population which is like 10,000 years, 20,000 years old, and they look like us, like they're looking like Indians and Asians. So anyways guys, welcome to north of Argentina. This is Salt Lake here. Cheers. In some time we'll try to cross to Chile, so let the adventure begin. तो भाई आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि सबको यहाँ पे सामने फ़ोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं। ये हमारे फोटोग्राफर हैं। सो मैं भी जाने वाली हूँ अभी। लेट्स ट्राई। सो ओके। तो भाई अभी हम फोटो खिंचा के आए हैं पीछे सॉल्ट लेक में, अर्जेंटीना में। सो नाइस। So I remember I have been to such crystal water salt lake area in Egypt, Ethiopia and Djibouti, maybe some other country also, but I don't remember right now. And now it's in Argentina, but the difference is this one is cold because Argentina naturally have like more of a cold weather. So if I touch this water, it's like really cold. It's a mountain area, but it's salty. It is salty. I have literally tasted the water. Let me show you again. So it's salty, but you cannot swim in this. If you like cold water, you can, but I don't like it. So the one in Egypt and Ethiopia and Djibouti, you can swim because it's like lukewarm water. It's good enough. So many salt lakes I have visited in my life. Maybe next one will be in Bolivia. So yeah, this was Salt Lake area around Andes Mountain in Argentina. So in some time we'll try to cross to Chile, as I said. But before that, let us take some photos on this side. So we are doing some photo shoots. Let's do that. Huh? Okay. Uh-huh.
Simona.
Simona. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you. She was our local guide here, so she's from this part of Argentina. Native, of course, so quite nice. So guys, the tour is over, it's done, and I'm standing like right in front of the Salt Lake, and we are trying to hitchhike to Chile. This is like a isolated border, not many cars are just for the Salt Lake, so it's going to be tough to hitchhike, but at least God was good today to me. There is good sun and less wind, so we'll manage. Yo, we have to find a car to Chile. Let's try our luck. Car or truck? And I'm hitchhiking after very long time, and it's my first hitchhiking in South America. How insane is that? We are going from Argentina to that side, to Chile. Let's go. One car literally stopped, and I start to hitchhike like just 10 minutes. So I don't know if they will go to Chile or they are going to the nearest town to the border. But whatever it is, it works. We have to keep going closer towards the border. So yeah, let's try our best. They literally stopped, man. Wow. Hello. Yeah, Chile. Huh? India. India. Yes. No problem. Okay. Wow, guys. So. Okay.
Por aquí, por aquí.
¿Por qué? Okay.
Por ahí, eso.
Guys, first hitchhiking of South America. Let's go. भाई 5 मिनट में हिचहाइक मिल गई. San Pedro.
Nosotros, Tucumán,
Oh, okay.
más lejos.
Okay, Tucumán. You Argentina, Chile.
Argentina somos.
Argentina.
Sí, vamos de paseo a Chile.
Chile, okay. Passport Argentina. Passport Argentina.
No, documento nada más.
Oh, okay.
DNI.
ओके भाई, ये लोग आईडी कार्ड दिखा के क्रॉस कर सकते हैं, जैसे हम लोग इंडिया नेपाल वगैरह में करते हैं. गजब भाई. देखिए जाए.
Si venimos a recoger sal.
I cannot
Si vamos, no
believe
vale nada, ¿verdad?
Bro.
Nadie hace plata.
in 10 minutes. And weather became good today, not too cold. It's manageable. Bhai, I'm really lucky. You know, my friends say, Garima, you're so lucky. Whenever things are going wrong, it goes best for you. I am.
Pero
Bhai.
eso de verdad.
मैं हूँ lucky.
Sí, ¿cómo crees que la sal?
Like, I'm too lucky in life.
Sí, o sea, claro. O sea, si venimos y llevamos sal, Alejandro, ¿podemos? ¿O no se puede?
सो गाइज, हम लोग अर्जेंटीना और चिले के बॉर्डर के पास पहुंच चुके हैं. भाई बहुत आइसोलेटेड बॉर्डर है ये वाला. ये मेन जो सांतियागो सिटी है ना, वो वाला नहीं है. ये पहाड़ों के बीच से जैसे लेह लद्दाख के नज़ारे होते हैं ना, वैसा वाला बॉर्डर है. और मेरी आवाज़ नहीं निकल रही क्योंकि ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. एलिवेशन बहुत हाई है, एल्टीट्यूड, एंड ऑक्सीजन में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है मेरे को अब. तो एनीवे, स्टिल नॉट टू बैड. लेह लद्दाख वाला तो बहुत ज़्यादा सर दुखने लग जाता था. ये हमने सुपरमार्केट से चिप्स लिए हैं, ये खाते हैं. इस गाड़ी में भाई हिचहाइकिंग हुई थी. सो दिस कार वाज लाइक दैट गिव अस लिफ्ट. ये ओपन कैसे करूँगी? सॉरी, पता नहीं भाई. तो So guys, finally we have finished the immigration of Argentina and Chile. बाहर बहुत हवा चल रही है. I cannot film outside because it's so windy. So they didn't stamp the passport, but they put the stamp on this paper. So didn't ask me any question. Strangely, the Chile side immigration did not even ask me the US visa. They didn't see it. I don't know why. Because usually in Argentina they checked my USA visa and then stamped my passport. But when I'm entering, like right now Chile, no, they didn't ask any question, just asked me where are you going to stay, have you booked the hotel? And I was like, no, I don't have internet. So he was like, okay, no problem, that's it. So this is the immigration office right behind us. Oh my god, it's so crazy, man. I get to travel the world. Oh my god. तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं भाई, इसमें ऐसे बस स्टैम्प लगा दिया. On my passport there is no stamp, literally stamp is just on this. So yeah, great. Welcome to Chile. पहुंच गए हैं भाई हम चिले में. कभी सोचा था मतलब नहीं ऐसे, हाँ सोचा तो था, इतना तो नहीं मतलब कि हाँ जाएंगे एक दिन, बट यो इतना दूर है यार, और बहुत कम लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं ये सारी कंट्रीज़. दुनिया से बहुत दूर हैं ये सारे देश, हम लोग पहुँच चुके हैं. लेट्स एक्सप्लोर चिले फॉर फ्यू डेज. Next time we'll go Santiago. This time I am not going there because it's too cold. We'll go in the summertime. I reached Chile and this is our dinner and this is the juice. So finally there is little bit of taste in the food in Chile. I am so surprised. Look at my face. I got so tired of food in Argentina. I'm looking like a dead human. After like 1 week or 10 days, I'm tasting flavors in the food. As soon as I came to Chile, there is something, at least. It's not organic, of course, but at least there is some taste. Bhai, in Argentina, everything was like plastic. I don't have problem with any country or place or any cuisine, but it was purely plastic and shit. Oh my goodness, this have flavor, man. Little bit, at least little bit. Thank God. I'm eating, so I'll talk to you guys very soon. I've been hungry like since many days, even though I was eating in Argentina, but I was like swallowing. Just there was nothing in it to enjoy.